Hi, today for this mix Xiaomi 13 Lite and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, the face unlock option works here fast and correct, and we just unlock the device just in just a half of the second. This is the good result for the face unlock. Just you can try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.